In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Bills, how to send a remittance advice to suppliers. A remittance advice is simply a confirmation you send to your supplier to let them know which invoices you've paid and how those payments were applied. It's really useful for keeping both your records and your supplier's records in sync, and it can help avoid a lot of back and forth about which bill was paid and when. Let's walk through the process inside Xero step by step. First, from your Xero dashboard, look for the main menu along the top of the screen and click on Purchases. This is where Xero keeps everything related to the bills you receive from your suppliers. Once you're in the Purchases area, click on Bills. This will open a list of all the bills in your system, including those that are awaiting payment and those that have already been paid. Because we're sending a remittance advice, we're only interested in bills that have already been paid. At the top of the Bills screen, click on the Paid tab. This filters the list so you only see bills that have a payment recorded against them. Now, from this list, select the bill you want to send a remittance advice for. You can do this by clicking on the bill reference or the supplier name. That will open the detailed view of that bill. On the bill page, scroll down until you see the section that shows the payment details. This is often labeled with something like less payment, and it shows how much was paid, on what date, and from which bank account. In that payment section, click on the payment link. This takes you directly to the payment transaction in the bank area of Xero, where you can manage communication related to that payment. On the payment transaction page, look for the Options button, usually towards the top or near the payment details. Click on Options to open a small drop-down menu. From that drop-down, choose Send Remittance. This opens a new window or panel where Xero prepares the remittance advice for you. Here, you can check the supplier's email address, review the subject line, and, if needed, make small edits to the message body so it's clear and professional. Once you're happy with everything, click Send. Xero will email the remittance advice directly to your supplier, and you're done. This creates a clear audit trail and helps maintain smooth, transparent relationships with the people you buy from.